Whether you want to lose 5 pounds or 75 pounds, just maintain a healthy weight or improve your overall nutritional well-being, the Monavie Reveal Premier Weight Solution is for you. Delivering more nutrition per calorie than leading U.S. brands, this advanced system helps you manage your weight in a healthy way. Featuring a delicious shake mix, crave-worthy snack bar, Monavie Reveal has everything you need to reach your ideal weight. By offering a diversity of macro, micro, and phytonutrients, Monavie Reveal gets to the root of weight management, healthy nutrition.
The 2010 Dietary Guidelines Advisory Report was just released, and it defined our population as being overweight and obese, but also malnourished with respect to a lot of nutrients. It's so important for people to have a nutrient-dense diet. So on the basis of that, we started with recommendations that you'll see in the Reveal program. It's based on strong science.
The nutrition makes you feel absolutely wonderful each day. I've had people come up to me and say, something is different, and it's not just that you've lost weight. Your skin looks radiant, you're glowing. And I say, it has to be the Reveal. I feel great on it, and I think it shows.
The phytonutrient nutrition of the Reveal program and Monavie products in general is truly unique and extraordinarily high. It's a remarkable program, and it reflects the best way to put current thinking to use for your benefit.
You owe it to yourself to get on Reveal, and if I can do it, anybody can do this program. I basically gained a lot of weight being in detectives, and my vest just the last year didn't fit comfortably, so I just haven't been wearing it. As of like about a week and a half ago, I was able to fit in it comfortably, so now I wear my vest. My wife wants me to be around for my 3 boys, so wearing that vest is, it shouldn't even have been an option.
I was a little upset and more worried because we've had a bunch of crime that would warrant a bulletproof vest. I was so happy to see that we were able to do this program and get that back on him.
All calories are not created equal. That's why Monavie Reveal Nutrition Shake Mix utilizes smart calories. These nutrient-dense calories provide a high return on your caloric intake, so you stock up on nutrients, not calories. In fact, just 1 serving of Monavie Reveal Shake Mix delivers a wider array of nutrients than a typical meal in half the calories. Made with Acai, the purest, most potent form of acai available, each serving provides the antioxidant power of more than 10 servings of fruits and vegetables and helps maintain lean muscle mass. So stop fueling your body with empty calories and enjoy a delicious Monavie Reveal shake today. Nutrition never tasted so good.
You know, the skinnier you get and you start looking good, you know, it puts a smile on your face every morning. For me, I'm a sweet tooth kind of girl, so the product is absolutely delicious. The shakes, I look forward to them every day. It's been the easiest thing I've ever done. The berry bars, oh my gosh, they're so delicious.
Indulge your taste buds without compromising your goal weight with Monavie Reveal Nutrition Snack Bars. Designed to help satisfy cravings between meals, they're both delicious and nutritious. Featuring 24 vitamins and minerals, these low-glycemic, antioxidant-packed bars taste so good, you won't believe they're part of your weight management plan. Enjoy one today and take a bite out of your daily food cravings.
55 years old, overweight, and now I've got an opportunity to change that. Not just short term, but because of the way the product is designed, I can be on this for a lifetime. For the last 35 years, I've referred to myself as the fat man. I don't anymore. My wife has always loved me, and she has always cared for me, but she looks at me different. She sees a better looking guy.
Monavie has given me a more meaningful life because it's changed the course of my life forever. I can now get up and be healthy because of Reveal. I'm able to take control of my life forever.
Here's how our premier weight solution works. Use Monavie Reveal products as directed. This consists of drinking 1 shake for breakfast and or lunch, consuming 1 capsule and snack bar for your morning and afternoon snacks, and then eating a healthy, sensible dinner. Once you reach your ideal weight, simply replace 1 meal each day with a delicious Monavie Reveal shake. Finally, exercise a minimum of 30 minutes each day. This simple 1-2-3 approach makes it easy to manage your weight in a healthy way.
I use it every day, and most excited to have this physical transformation that has taken place in my life. It is never a number, it is how you feel about yourself. Plug into this system, use it, and I promise you this, at the end of the day, you're going to be thrilled with the results.
I feel wonderful. Just the fact to be on the last belt loop and be able to tuck my shirt in, that was something that I always look forward to. I'm a lot more self-confident knowing that, I don't always have to suck it in. I feel good and I look good, and I'm proud of that.
I encourage you to get on Reveal, whether or not you have weight to lose or not, because calorie for calorie, it's the most nutritionally dense calorie that you're going to put in your body all day. I love it. My energy level is up, my self-confidence is up, and the same can happen for you. It doesn't have to take you a year or 2 years. You can start getting results fairly quickly. The long-term goal is health. It's a lifestyle. Get on Reveal and begin exercising, and every area of your life can be complete.
No matter what your inspiration, skinny jeans, better health, your friends and family, Monavie Reveal can help you achieve your weight management goal. Say goodbye to unwanted pounds and hello to your best self with Monavie Reveal today.